guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are filming the finale episode of the Olive Oil Co. Kitchen for Season 2. I hope you've enjoyed this season so far. It's been a lot of fun, a lot of good recipes. Today we are going out with a bang. We are making truffle sliders, and we're going to be showcasing some other products from our store and also doing some baking. So with this recipe, guys, you can make it either as regular sized burgers or you can make it as sliders depending on what you want. We just want to do sliders to have a little more fun. Two products you will need from our store for this is we are using our Favuzzi fleur de sel, and we are also using the Favuzzi mushroom and truffle puree. If you love truffles, this is absolutely delicious and great on burgers and other meats. But first we are going to actually make our buns for the sliders, and it's going to be olive oil buns. So we are using some extra virgin olive oil, and you'll also need some of our butter infused olive oil. So let's get to baking, shall we? And as per usual, for all ingredients and amounts, please go to our website, although I will be putting the amounts here down below. First you'll need some water, and then you want to take some honey and just dissolve that honey in the water. Once that honey is dissolved, you want to add your yeast. And we're just going to let that sit until it gets nice and frothy. So we're using our stand mixer today. Obviously you can do this by hand if you want to. We have our flour in here. Next we're just going to add some salt to this. Just going to give it a little mix. And then just make a little well right in the middle here. So next we are going to add our yeast and water to this. Just pour it right in the middle. We are also adding extra virgin olive oil. We're using a nice medium intensity one with our Picual from Chile. Then we are taking this over to our stand mixer. So we're just going to pop this down with the dough hook, lock that in place, start on low and let it do its thing. So as you can see, the dough is coming together. Just going to turn this off, pull this up. Kind of scrape our dough ball off here. There, so everything's looking like it's coming together pretty good so far. This is back down. With that back on, we are just going to set it to 2. Alright, so this is done kneading. Unlock this, grab our dough ball off the hook. Feels lovely. Some of the other dough off there. Just going to form this into a little ball here, and we're going to take it back over to our island. Alright, so with a large bowl, you just want to do a quick drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, not much. Then you're just going to take your dough ball, roll it around in the olive oil. Good and coated there. Just gonna flatten it just a little bit, and then you want to take a towel, cover that over, and let that sit for about 2 hours. And presto, it has risen. Basically, the next thing you want to do is punch it with your fist. Got a nice sponginess to it. So we are going to take this and turn it into 12 little balls. Alright, we've got our 10 little dough balls here for our buns. I'm just going to cover this again with the towel, and I'm going to put this inside my oven to proof for another hour. Alright, so once you get your mushrooms ready, you just want to snap your fingers and And there you have it all chopped up. We are going to take this over to our cast iron pan. So as you can see, our tester mushroom is telling us our pan is ready. It's on medium heat. Let's get all our mushrooms in here. We're using our robust last bit of Shatui olive oil. We have some other nice robust olive oils in the store now. We have one that's the varietal called Manzanillo. That's got a nice flavor to it. So these are going to cook down, absorb the olive oil. So our mushrooms are pretty much cooked down. We are just going to get a couple tablespoons of this truffle puree in here with them. We're just going to get that all mixed up together with them. Oh, the smell of it's absolutely amazing. And then we're just going to keep this on very low heat, keep them nice and warm while we work on our beef patties. Alright, so we have our ground beef here from Old 99 Farm. It is grass-fed organic. We are taking our fleur de sel, taking just a pinch here, seasoning it, just a little bit of pepper, and then make sure we get this all mixed up together. So really you're not seasoning this very much, but the toppings of the mushrooms and the truffle are really going to make these slider burgers shine. And then once you have this, you want to form it into as many patties as you're making up. So. Hey guys, so our buns are nice and proofed for the second time. We are going to pop these in our oven, which is at 400 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. Slip that in there. And then we move on to these guys. So we've got this set to just under medium heat. Just going to flatten this out with my hand, get it nice and shaped. Take my thumb to the middle here. Just going to lay that right in there. And continue with the rest of your patties. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so our burgers are done. We're just letting them rest for about 5 minutes. You can do this either before or after these have baked. We forgot to do these before, so we're doing them now. Take some of the butter olive oil, just do a little bit on here, just do a little smear like that. And you can put these off to the side. We've got some of our toppings ready. We just have to cut up some cheese, so we're going to move on to that too. I don't know about you guys, but I love the smell of truffle. I love mushrooms. I love everything about this recipe. I'm ready to dig in, so I'm going to take the top of this, pop it on top of this slider, take my bite. Oh man. That is so good. That definitely was delicious. Before we go, I just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone that has made this year of cooking videos super special. All of your likes, your comments, your laughing at my stupid little sketches that I put into these things. It's been a lot of fun, and it's been a lot of fun talking to you guys at the store and talking about all these recipes that we've been cooking up. I'm really excited to see what we can bring you guys next year. We also appreciate when you go over to our YouTube channel, like the videos, subscribe, tell your friends about them. It's really, really been a special year. And again, before we go for dessert, we are having a beautiful cinnamon bun from Little Paris Bread Co. I mean, these things, you can't get any better than the desserts that they bring the town of Paris. I hope you guys again like this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next year. We are using our Favuzzi truffle and mushroom. Yeah.